Hi, it's me again, Leslie with Studio Burke. Today I have the Cabalor USB-C to HDMI charging port adapter with 4K UHD resolution Gigabyte EarthNet. This is a great solution to hook up your type-compatible computer to an HDMI-enabled HDD TV, monitor, projector, or for a mirror display or extended monitor. It's ideal for video sharing, gaming, and making presentations on a bigger screen. It has a super fast transfer speed, and you can connect your mouse, keyboard, camera, U-Disc. It supports super fast data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabytes and backwards compatible with the USB 2.0. Check it out for yourself at the link below, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Peace out.